Hello, my name is Rob Richards. I'm the owner of Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum, and I am so excited for us to be setting up for the 2022 Sew Expo. As you can see, we've got kind of a messy booth. It's going to come together quickly here and be waiting for you tomorrow. It's going to look amazing. We're going to be here at the Douglas County Fairgrounds in Castle Rock Thursday through Saturday. The hours Thursday and Friday are 10 to 5, and then Saturday it's 10 to 4. So we have a lot of great products here. We have Brother, Janome, Bernina, Handy Quilter. We will have vacuums. We will have some Laurastar products here. We just have a lot of good stuff for our customers. Sewing furniture. So if you've been eyeballing any of those products, this is the best time to buy. We will have terrific Sew Expo prices, but the cool part is tomorrow for opening day, as we've done since 2008, we will have an additional 5% off special for the opening day. So please come on by. We're also going to be giving away a Brother 1750D. This is a $1,049 valued machine. You do not need to be present to win, but you do have to come down and enter if you pay to come into the show. We'll have a little drawing box right over here. We'd love to have you come over, visit us, and put your name in. We are not able to have FOF at this show. So what we have done is something a little special. We are giving, not only do we have Sew Expo prices also in the store, but we are also giving an additional 5% off Thursday, Friday, and Saturday in the store if you've been interested or have been eyeballing a FOF. We'd love to have you come take a look at the new Creative Icon 2. We also have Creative Icon 1s left in stock, so come check that out. And also, right around here, we're going to have the brand new Janome CM17. You've got to come check this machine out. It is earth-shattering. So we're going to have, like I said, manufacturer representatives here, best pricing. We're going to have 6-month to 72-month no-interest financing. And you can see most of this in our Sew Expo buying guide. You may have gotten this in the mail. If you haven't, you can download it for free off our website. Just go to RockyMountainSewing.com, scroll all the way to the bottom, and click on the email subscription button there, and you'll get what you need to download that. So please come see us. We'll be waiting for you, and we're excited. Thank you.